right, let's talk to Alex now about our forecast today. Concerned about rainfall, Alex, for a lot of these areas in Alabama that got way too much rain.
Yeah, there were some spots that got way too much rain. We had flooding issues over East Alabama over the weekend. I think any flooding issues we see as we head through today would be very isolated, but the eastern end of the state where we're focusing on for that again today. Right now, we're just dealing with a lot of clouds across central Alabama. It looks a little gloomy outside, but we're mainly dry. You can see a couple of sprinkles right now over parts of Tallapoosa and Chambers counties at the moment. That's slowly lifting north, so we'll keep an eye on Clay and Randolph counties. Maybe a couple of showers there over the next 30 minutes to an hour. Temperatures setting in the upper 60s, low 70s to start the day. For most of us, temperatures actually top out in the 70s this afternoon. This is the map here showing you high temperatures today. Like yesterday, the cooler air will be further to the east. From I-65 east, I think we're topping out in the 70s, low to maybe a few mid-80s from areas west of I-65 towards the Mississippi border. Way below average for us today, though. We're normally in the low 90s this time of year. Now, we'll have the chance for a few hit-or-miss showers and storms today. Highest coverage of rain will be over eastern Alabama, along and east of I-65, and I think the highest overall coverage of rain for us coming in the afternoon and evening. So we do have that flood risk today. This is the latest from the Weather Prediction Center. Marginal risk for flash flooding that goes as far west as, say, the Coosa River along the Talladega-Shelby County line over towards Clanton. And then places like Anniston, Sylacauga, Rockford, Alex City, and that marginal risk. A slight risk even further east than that, mainly clipping parts of Cleburne, Randolph, Tallapoosa, and Chambers counties here in central Alabama. So some isolated flooding, a possibility today. It will not be a widespread issue. Additional hit-or-miss showers and storms sticking with us through the next 7 days. So expect more of these hit-or-miss showers and storms tomorrow. Again, I think the highest coverage mainly east of 65 and probably south of I-59. Those storms will be more isolated once we get Wednesday on through the end of the week, but we'll have that chance for more downpours all the way through the weekend. Rainfall totals, again, going to be highest over East Alabama, but where you see those rainfall totals starting to exceed an inch there over the far eastern end of the states, where I think we could see some isolated totals that exceed 3 inches. That risk for today and tomorrow for isolated flooding. We'll lose that flood risk, but keep the chance for hit-or-miss storms from midweek through the weekend. Ani, David.